Hello, welcome back. Today we're gonna do more of plugins. Now, you already know what it is. You plug stuff into your application. So let's say right now I want to create an online exam or online test for a school or for whatever you want to do, or you want to you have to get people to take an exam to basically something like that. So now you don't want to code from scratch, right? There is everything in WordPress. So now the goal is to get a plugin that will handle an online exam for you. Now what to do is go to appearance, go to plugins and go to add new plugin. There's so many ways to look for plugins. You could say free. Just note we have two types of plugins. We have two types of plugins and themes. We have the free, we have the premium. The free is free forever, the premium is where you have to pay. Now always mind that your keywords. You could say free WordPress plugin for online test or exam, whatever. People use surplus saying there is one already that says it's called exam, allows users to create quizzes, survey polls, hosted on the WordPress. You can check this one out. There's another one called online exam. There are thousands of WordPress plugins out there written by different people, and some are easier to use, some are harder to use. It all depends on which one you want to do. Always look at the reviews. If you see one with so many stars, with so many comments here, most likely it's going to be a good one. This one is 5 stars for real. Like, create a quiz where the next question depends on the answer to the previous. Like, it all depends on what you need. Just, you can't survive as a programmer if you don't read. Like, you just can't jump on something to do. You know what I mean, right? So now you have to chill down and just calm down and look for what you want to get. Yeah. So there is online exam. This one says online exam. It's a simple software where you can create online exam. Let's check this out. And notice this is in WordPress.org/plugins. You can see themes, you have plugins, mobile, etc. This is WordPress.org. Now, it's a simple software where you can create online exam, add the subject, add the quiz, add this. There's more features if you want it to be public. You can share the URL using Facebook. We're gonna try this. Okay, now this is how it's gonna look like. Add the subject. These are screenshots, so you see how it looks. This you just set up. This is setting up stage. So you can see answers, all of these things. Like, so if you like this plugin and you want to do it, I mean, you can just copy the name. Just copy the name. You could also do the same thing here, like in your add plugin. You could also search for online exam. Since I've already seen the one I like, I already see something I like in it. I just search for that, and this is it. To confirm, this is it. So install plugin. Note you could do the search here, but then I like using Google because Google would show me so many stuff and from so many people. Like, just coming to search for online exams, so it's going to give me just similar stuff here. I want to go to Google, I'll get a variety of answers, and I choose from the one I want. Now it's installed, nothing to do is activated. Now after activating, what do you do next? How do you start? Now this is something you need to note. There is no particular way. Okay, WordPress is an open source application now. So many guys are developing plugins every day, so they would like to tweak it the way they want. So if someone does plugin A and keeps the button here, doesn't mean someone B would do button B and put it here. They might scatter everywhere. Right now, all I know is that the plugin is activated. I don't know where the plugin is. I need to go look for it. Now I'll scroll down. You see, it's here. If I don't see it, I'll go to settings. If I don't see it here, I'll just look for it. You know what I mean? I won't tell you I won't tell you that your plugins will always come down here. But just look for it. This one here is just here and very good. It's here. Now click on that. You could add a subject. Let's call this subject HTML. And then let's keep going. This is a subject. So I mean, you could do add a subject, add a quiz, add questions. So let's add the quiz. This is the ID number. The quiz name is Intro to Programming. That's the name of the quiz. So you could have so many quizzes into programming. Like you have subjects in your class, you have economics and the rest of that. This is it. Yeah. So let me refresh. That's a very foolish bug. And this is the short code. Let me tell you what the short code is. Hey, be careful when you design in WordPress. Some people, when you're done, okay, we'll come back. Okay, let me just take it now. Short code is that code you paste into pages, posts, etc. Now, after designing your quiz, how are you going to show it to people? You're going to create a page and then put that short code there. Once you put this short code in that page, it's going to like pull. Let's go. It's going to look like magic for you. Let's add questions to the quiz we've created. Question 1. What is HTML? Option 1, you can say hyper Apple hyper village people hyper text markup language. I mean, you could just let me do this one. I don't know. The correct answer is number 3. So say okay, the correct answer is number 3. If the person chooses number 3, the person is correct. Else, person is wrong. Now you've added the question. Let us add more questions to this. Let's say CSS, cascading style shape, cascading, Casablanca, cassava, I don't know, apple. The correct answer is option 1. Let me add the last one just so it's so fancy. DOM. The DOM. What's a DOM? Jesus. Don't forget what's in DOM, Bishop. It's document something. Document object model. Yeah, I will talk. My brain is freezing. Doctor. DOM. Correct answer is option 1. I mean, you could play around this. Correct answer is option 2. So now that all our questions are set, 3 questions for this exam. Let's see question lists. What does this mean? Okay, this is a list of all the questions, I believe. I hope so. Yeah. The correct answer is 3. This. Now you are done with the exam. How do you show people? How do people take this exam? Let's do settings. Let's see what's gonna happen when people see this exam. Let's personalize this. Set time for the quiz. You see, we can't do this because it's only available. It's a premium feature. When you pay for this, you can have the privilege to set. You can say, okay, this exam is gonna last 5 minutes. And for now that we are broke, we cannot do anything about that. You would already have. Let's just look around this and see what's up. Okay, so when people take this exam, you're going to see the person's ID, the person's name, correct answer, wrong answer, percentage. So let's go ahead and display. Let's go ahead and display this. So there is this short code here. Now I want to create a page, right, that would show our exam. We can call it biology. Okay, we can call it programming 101. That's the name of the page, or you could just say programming exam. You're gonna say exam 2. Put a short code here. This thing is gonna do the whole magic. This is gonna do the whole magic. Okay, let me just take it out. For now, there is no short code. You're only gonna see start exam today when you visit the site. We close all of this. As of the time of visiting the site, you're only supposed to see a blank page, and then we'll go ahead to add the shortcode. Let me show you what it does. This shortcode is a modern way to play around WordPress. Some people can create a contact form and put the shortcode wherever you want to display. Like WordPress is pretty simple, like you're seeing. So programming exam, it tells you start exam today. So let's go ahead and put the shortcode, the magic code. I call it magic code. So it's gonna like pull the questions from wherever it is. I mean, this is just some background. This whole coding stuff have already been done. Like they've already done this part for you. You don't really care. Your own is to see results of what you're doing. That's why there is WordPress. Now you refresh. There is supposed to be something here. I mean, I'm doing this for the first time, so I know it's gonna work. I've used plugins a lot. How did you even come here? So load now. Why the delay, bro? Village people, I see you. I know it's you. I know now. Just oh my god. Let me disconnect my Wi-Fi, and then that could be the reason. Note that I don't really need the internet to use my local server. It's on its own, and it's faster if I'm not even connected to the internet. Disconnected. So now I'm disconnected. Let me reload this. Why is everything slow now? Like programming exam. Okay, so you don't have to sigh like I just did in programming. Okay, it's wrong. Patience is key. Like something could just get messy, and you don't. It's always patient. If you're just angry, you can't fix it. Okay, I think it's almost there. No. This is very wrong. Like this is not even supposed to happen. Let me close this one. Let's see. Why though? Let me remove this. Let me remove the shortcode. That is the reason why it is like that. But why is it not displaying? Why is it not displaying? Well, I'm going to stop here soon. But then just do this same thing. You can use the same plugin, or you could try some other plugin. I mean, I tried this theme stuff before. It didn't work out for me. I don't know why my system is not allowing me to show you stuff, allowing me to be great. But then you get the whole concept of plugins now. Try it and let me know if it works out for you. Let me try again one more time. You know, you have the option of going to visual and text, right? You could do this and do this. Let me just clear everything and put the shortcode here. Sometimes some small foolishness could just spoil everything for you. Like if it doesn't work in this side, try the other side. Don't know, but let's see. Let's see. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully it works out. Okay, so here. Dude. Well, we can all see that this is the work of Village people, right? Normally it's supposed to load and show you the exam, but for some reason it is not loading. Okay, let's do this. Let's go add a new plugin. Okay, now what you need to know is if plugin A doesn't work, plugin B is going to work. So this one has played with us and it has wasted our time. We've added so many quizzes and it's saying it's not going to do. It's not doing again. Okay, go ahead to do another one. Like this is unnecessary. Like you're not supposed to be doing this. Show me my quiz. Okay, let's add a new plugin. Let's call it let's do test. Strange. Okay, I'm not connected to the internet to add theme because I'm actually Downloading. What the heck? Oh, Jesus. Let's see if it's gonna work. Like it's online test. You see there is events calendar. There's so many distracting plugins for right now, but let's just do our stuff. Let's do there is appointment booking and online scheduling. There is online plagiarism. There is live chat support. There are so many plugins we could use here. Let's do the next this we're gonna use. You're gonna do is an social. You're gonna do a social network with this. So this is what we use that play with us. Played us. The easy student result management system for schools, university, and this display result. I don't trust you still. Like I fear to install plugins now because they keep playing with me. 90 plus 4 years ago. This is horrible. Don't try this. This is too long ago. This quiz maker, this one may be cool because it was updated 3 weeks ago. 100 plus with a 4-star. To install 2 what? I don't know what this means. But let's try the quiz maker and let it wipe away our stories. Let me edit this page and delete that crap we put there. So now that we're using a new plugin and we already wasted time, I'll just add only one question in this one. So now I don't know where it is. I need to go look for it. Okay, quiz maker, it came here. Well, these guys are getting sense now because before now they used to scatter their stuff everywhere. Like you install something, it goes everywhere. So quiz categories, yeah, question categories. Let's do quizzes. I don't really think I need to create a category for this or whatever. No category. Oh, just add a quiz. Title: Programming 101. Description: Exam for just students. Category: no category. Select question. Let's publish this. We're back to this anyways. Like this is when you this is the wrongest part to start from. This is the last part. This is what you're supposed to do last. You're supposed to do this last. The first thing you're supposed to do is, you see, it generates a short code for you. Let's take the short code and put it here. Now let's view the page. But note that we've not done anything. We just created the exam that we're going to publish. We've not given the category, we've not given the exam, we've not added questions. But let's just preview and see if it's working. If it's going to work, it's going to tell us something examish. Programming exam, you see? There is finish. So it's going to work. Let's add our questions. Quiz maker, create a category. You could do beginner, expert, whatever. So this video is gonna get so long. Beginner for the kids. Publish this, save, or apply. They do the same thing. The cancel does otherwise. Let's do question categories. We could do hard, simple, whatever. This is an unnecessary. I don't know why. I don't know who created this, but anyways, this is so redundant. We just follow, just do. You only do your quiz, but this is very unnecessary. Now let's create the questions. So many guys do their own differently. We saw how the other one was. We created the question, selected an option, selected the right answer. This one is, what is HTML? The category is going to be, I don't see, let's show the category. The type, you could make it a radio button if you want to select only one at a time. Make it checkbox if you want to select more than one. Know the differences, so make it a drop down if you want it to select. And this is sort of the radio. Hypertext markup language. Hype man. We added the question, but did we select the right answer? Like questions. What's HTML? Let's see if we told it the right answer. Now move correct this. Let's see what this is supposed to do. Okay, this is where you want to add more stuff. What's the meaning of this? Okay, correct. You just to show the correct one, just select and say okay, that's the correct one. If you want to add more options, just hit the green button there. Let me add one more so it doesn't look so playfullish. CSS publish cascading style sheet. The correct answer is this. Let me just play around with it a little bit. Let me bring it here. Is the right answer. Now let's go to quiz maker. Let's go to quizzes. Let me see the quizzes. I mean, you don't have to follow the same order I followed. Like, you can just start by creating a category. Let's edit this thing now and fill in the blanks. You know, when we did it first time, we didn't do anything. The category is uncategorized because most of the questions were here. I didn't see in the beginning when I was adding those things. So now let's reload this page and see if we can add. You didn't add though. Your score is 0%. I know now, like there was no exam in the first place. Let's select. Okay, select question. We didn't select questions. Oh, that was the problem. Select all the questions you want to go. Apply. You see, the exam was here, but there were no questions here. So we have to, read questions. You see, what is HTML, CSS? This is very weird because I can't see the select buttons. This is not. Oh wait, it's because I already took the exam, but it's supposed to show me options, right? So let me see why this is. Well, this is very weird. Well, what's gonna happen is I'll check from the back. If it doesn't work, I'll just log out. Maybe it's because I already took the exam, that's why it's misbehaving. Yeah, let's start from CSS. We said it's gonna be of type radio, and it's gonna be in the uncategorized, and we could even say what is. We could do this, but for some reason it's showing here, but it's not showing the radio buttons, But then I believe my issue is my PC, whatever I'm using here. Let me log out. But you get you get the whole concept of plugins now, right? So just go explore. It's simple, it's fun. Let's do here. This is called the preloader. that thing is preloading, so your content could be ready before it shows anybody anything. So now, oh, it's not working for me. It's not working for me. Now this is a very dumb quiz because it doesn't allow me to select anything. I mean, that's how crappy people develop. People develop crappy software and put them out there. So that's why I said always read reviews. If I read a review of that same way somebody said I added the thing but it didn't work or option didn't show, you know what I mean? So go and read your reviews or see you in the next video.